In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WooCommerce. By the end, you'll confidently find the Smart Discounts and Coupons extension on the official WooCommerce site using a quick Google search and the extension's marketplace. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and press Enter. You're looking for the official WooCommerce website, which is typically listed near the top and uses the woocommerce.com domain. Click that official result. A quick tip: avoid lookalike sites and check for the secure padlock icon in your browser to confirm you're on the real marketplace. Once you're on the WooCommerce site, look for the Extensions section. On a desktop, it's usually in the top navigation. If you're on a smaller screen, it might be tucked inside a menu icon. Go ahead and click Extensions. Depending on your previous activity, you might be taken to a dashboard-style page. If the site asks you to continue or verify your account, that's normal on the WooCommerce platform. Just proceed so you can access the marketplace. Now that you're in the Extensions area, use the site's search field. Type Smart Discounts and Coupons exactly like that. This narrows the results to the extension we want. If you see a lot of unrelated results, check whether any filters are applied and clear them, or refine using marketplace filters related to coupons and discounts. Typing the full phrase usually gives the best match and saves you time scrolling. When the results load, look for the listing titled Smart Discounts and Coupons for WooCommerce. The correct entry should clearly mention WooCommerce and focus on creating and managing discounts and coupon logic. Click on that listing to open its product page. You'll land on the official page where you can read a detailed description, review features, see screenshots, and confirm it's the right tool for your store. Take a moment to check the publisher information and user ratings so you know you've reached the genuine WooCommerce marketplace listing. That's all there is to it. You searched for WooCommerce on Google, navigated to the extensions section on the official site, typed Smart Discounts and Coupons into the marketplace search, and then opened the Smart Discounts and Coupons for WooCommerce listing. If you need to revisit any step, feel free to pause and repeat. Thanks for watching, and great job getting to the exact extension page quickly and safely.